interesting photo. You got the moon and then 2 DHS satellites on the bottom. So there's Isis, Horus, and Set. You see that? There's your Jewish Mossad spy cameras from the Department of Homeland Security. Yeah, right there. You got Isis at the top. There's the moon. And then you got 2 of DHS's satellites. Isis, Horus, and Set. It's kind of making a funky looking pyramid. If you draw a line. I'd call that obtuse, wouldn't you? Well, we got movement. Looks like Swissy's moving. It looks like Department of Homeland's moving their little plane here. Goes to the cops. Yep. Yep. That is part of the hologram. Holographic. See that? It's holographic right there. See that? Look. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that holographic? There you go. This is the reptilians in their little Swiss Templar shit. Swissy. Look, this is how they track humans, using holograms. See that? Orb? See the orb? Watch this shit. See? How it's going to morph? Morphing drones. Designed by the Swiss Templars in the game. So this is how the cops do it. See? Looky. This is the police and their hologram. This is how they do it. It's holographic tracking. See? Now it's gonna morph into a fucking helicopter. Watch this shit. This is the police. It went from hologram to a helicopter. And it's going right over my head. Because this is part of the technology, people. Don't you get it? Oh, there you go. This is the holographic. They got all sorts of gadgets. They got their Star Wars shit ready to roll out. See, and then over here, go back to the basics. Where we at? Okay, so there's your moon, and then there's your satellite feed. That's a street light. See that? This is the moon, and then down here at the bottom, this thing here, that's that orange color, that's just the satellite feed. See, and somehow they're able to do the triangulation stuff and make their holograms for the police, and the police track you. And if you're chipped, then it's easy for them to track you. Get it? You think this is all made up? I ain't making it up. See, that's a hologram. And there's your moon. So, anyways, wanted to show you that. That was an interesting thing to see in the sky. I'm glad I caught it.